Hey, what's up, everybody? I am so glad you guys are here with us tonight. I'm excited to start this series and to introduce you all to some of the fantastic women in the industry that you may have never heard about or seen or anything. The best part of this show is going to be the guests. So without further ado, I am going to bring in India from MVP Lawn Care. What's up, India?
What's going on, everybody?
Looks like you got a lot of fans in the chat already. Look at that.
Hey, I try.
That's right. That's what I'm talking about.
Thanks for tuning in.
Absolutely. I am so glad that you agreed to be my first guest. You and I met each other on Instagram. We were chatting. And then we got a chance to meet in person at GIE, yep. which was awesome to see another female there from the lawn community. So why don't you go ahead and just tell the audience a little bit about yourself?
My name is India Lewis. The name of my business is MVP Lawn Care, based out of High Point, North Carolina. I started my business about 3 years ago. Never thought I'd be here, honestly. Business has been pretty good for me. 2019, I had all of my equipment stolen. Trailer.
Oh my gosh.
Blowers, everything gone.
That's insane.
However,
was it insured?
Apparently not properly. So, lesson learned. However, I was fortunate enough to be able to buy it all back. Lesson learned, you live, you learn, and everything is good now.
That's right. This is a part-time thing for you, right?
Yes. Yeah.
I'm
a first responder full-time. I do this part-time. This is my me time, relax time. So yeah, this is part-time for me.
We appreciate you as a first responder. Absolutely 100%. Like that's very admirable that you can do that. You and I chatted a little bit about how, we talk about we can talk about grass forever, right? When you get around your family, you start talking about it. They ask. I am a very, very, very quiet person. I don't really talk that much, honestly. But if you ask me something about grass, you better be ready to hear. You're gonna be drinking from the fire hose.
My family, they get tired of hearing about it.
What equipment do you have and use? Because I think you said something about zero turns, right?
I started off with a Skag V-Rod. But of course that was stolen, so I replaced it with a Wright.
Okay.
I love it. Zero issues out of it.
Is that what you were looking at GIE? You wrote a couple of those, right? Yeah.
Yes. I have the standard eye. I'm looking to get another one. I believe all my push mowers are Toro.
Okay. It looks like Vince, the Longineer, has a question for you. He's saying, what's your trailer setup look like?
I have a 7x16 trailer. Mitchell from Mitchell's Lawn Care did a video where he helped me set up my trailer actually and installed all of my racks. So if you know him or know who I'm talking about, if you can go back and look, you'll be able to see what the inside of it looks like.
Nice.
TR, no, I do not have a YouTube channel. I'm not a YouTuber, not yet. Yeah, you never know.
You never know. Let me tell you something. The DIY community is the best community. When I first started doing this, they're so supportive, and in this day and age, you don't feel that often in your day to day. So I gravitated towards it, and that's been one of the best things about this whole experience. You have people who are gonna support you and answer questions for you, and work with you. So that's really cool about this community. So. He says, India, has a customer ever tried to take advantage of you because you're a woman? Example, has someone tried to play you or not take you seriously?
If they didn't take me seriously, I wouldn't know it. I think I surprised a lot of people because I'm not just saying, hey, you need this, and this. And I actually go into detail and explain it to you as far as why I'm doing what I'm doing or why I suggest you doing what I'm telling you. So if they take me seriously, that's fine. And if they don't, that's fine too. I mean, I know what I know, and it is what it is. Everybody has their opinions as far as women, but I'm here to provide a service.
Right.
So that's what you're going to get, the best I can give you.
Yeah.